Wanted to show you all that. I get very excited when we have unique build G-Wagons show up, especially when one's available, because usually that would be a custom build, and it was at one point. It's just the person who built it didn't want to wait for it, bought one earlier. So anyway, love the way that turned out. Boom. Look at this beauty. This is a newer color, olive metallic. And this car's got the Night Package Plus on it, so you've got all the black trim on the fenders and the bull bar. Inside the grille with the black star, you only get that with the Night Package Plus. Tinted headlamps. Now, we didn't go black roof on this one, which you can do, but even the mirror covers are in black. Oh yeah, baby, manufacturer olive metallic. This is such a cool color, love it. Yes, it's olive, but I think it's a really pretty shade of green. And I was curious about this car. I didn't know how it was gonna work with the Night Package Plus, but now that I see it in person, I'm digging it. Not only that, you got the black running boards too. Now here's what's really cool about this car is that kind of going a little bit, you've got a very unique situation on the outside with a kind of a classy color and a very sporty Night Package Plus. And on the inside, we go full classy. We go the macchiato beige diamond stitched interior. Boom. So this is such a unique build. Natural grain, black ash wood trim. Oh man, this is hot. And I would venture to guess that there's nothing like this anywhere in the country. One of my absolute favorite things about the G-Wagon is that you have more access to the paint and upholstery catalog from Mercedes-Benz than any other vehicle that we make. So you can really go wild with these. Most people end up going very conservative. Got the diamond stitching back here. Boom, got the Burmester sound system up in the roof of the car. There's just so many different things you can do with these G-Wagons. So many people go, you know, black, red, white, red. You know, occasionally you see cool things like China blue, Arabian gray. There are definitely some cool colors out there, but you see a lot of the same builds. Something like this is just so different, so unique. Love how this one turned out. So pumped it's here. I know not everybody's into the G550. Everybody wants to wait for the 63, but I got to tell you, this is cool. Now, right next to it, a little bit more of a traditional build. This one's also available. This is just a, you know, black. You know, doesn't have the big wheels. This has got the 19-inch wheels. You know, nothing wrong with this car at all, but, you know, doesn't have the interior package plus and no diamond stitched interior. This is just, you know, a little bit more basic, a little bit more conservative and safe, but I'm going with the olive. I'm going to olive all day. And actually, this is kind of cool. This one also doesn't have the AMG line, so you can see, if you look at the fender flares on the 550 with the AMG line. You can see this kind of air flick down here, and you know, the width of the fender flare versus on the non-AMG line, no air flick, and you know, not nearly as far apart. But yeah, you can very prominent to tell from here. Definitely dresses up the appearance of the car when you go with the AMG line. Anyway,